Today I teach trigonometry ratio. Suppose cot theta equal to 7/8. Find value 1 plus sin theta 1 plus sin theta 1 minus sin theta upon 1 plus cos theta 1 minus cos theta. This question may be written as a plus b, a minus b, apply identity a square minus b square, 1 square minus sin square, 1 square minus cos square. Here 1 minus sin square theta, 1 minus cos square theta. Here 1 minus sin square written as cos square, 1 minus cos square written as sin square. This may be written as cos theta upon sin theta whole square. So this may be written as cot theta whole square. In this question given cot theta equal to 7/8. So cot theta with figure base upon perpendicular to AB upon BC. Let AB equal to 7K, BC equal to 8K. Here 7K, here 8K. Hypotenuse AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. So 7K whole square plus 8K whole square, 49K square, 64K square, 113K square. AC equal to under root 113K, under root 113K. So cot theta based upon based upon perpendicular given, so 7/8 given. Here give 49/64. Other type we question solve cot theta hypotenuse measure. Putting the value of sin and cos in this equation, we give the answer 49/64. Either we solve in this process 1 plus sin 1 minus sin written as 1 minus sin square, 1 plus cos 1 minus cos written as 1 minus cos square, 1 minus sin square cos square, 1 minus cos square sin square. This may be written as cot theta whole square. Cot theta already given, so 49/64 is the given answer. Other question, if cosec A equal to 2, find value 1/10A, 1/10A plus sin A upon 1 plus cos A. Here cosec theta hypotenuse upon base. So here 2K hypotenuse upon perpendicular A, B, C. So base equal to 4k square minus 1, 4k square minus k square equal to under root 3k square. So under root 3k is the base. तो value of 10 is 10 k upon root 3k. तो value of 1 upon 10 is k upon root 3k plus value of sin a k upon 2k, value of 1 plus cos a, तो root 3k upon 2k. Here k cancel, root 3 plus k cancel 1 by 2. Here take LCM, तो here 2k upon 2k plus root 3k. Solve the question. 2 cancel out, so root 3. Here k take as common, so 2 plus root 3. K cancel out, so root 3 plus 1 upon 2 plus root 3. So root 3 plus rationalize denominator 2 plus root 3, multiply numerator and denominator 2 minus root 3, 2 minus root 3. Here root 3 plus 2 minus root 3 upon 2 square minus root 3 whole square. So root 3 plus 2 minus root 3 4 minus 3. Here root 3 plus 2 minus root 3 upon 1. So root 3 plus 2 minus root 3. This cancel out. This question gives 2. In triangle ABC, right angle B, AB equal to 21, AB equal to 21, BC equal to AB equal to 21 and BC equal to 20. Angle B 90 degree, AC, AB 21, BC 20. So AC square equal to AB square plus BC square, 21 square plus 20 square, 441. Here 400, here 841. So AC equal to under root 841. This is the square of 29. Value of, suppose value of sin C. Sin C perpendicular upon hypotenuse, तो AB upon AC. AB 21 upon 29. Cot C, value of cot C. तो base upon perpendicular, तो BC upon AB. Value of BC 20 upon 21. Prove कि sin square A plus cos square A equal to 1. Take left hand side, sin square A plus cos square A. Value of sin A 20 upon 29 whole square. Value of cos A 21 upon 29 whole square. This gives 400 upon 841. This gives 400 upon 841. This gives 841 upon 841. So gives 1 right hand side. कितने में तो
11
so that if tan theta equal to 4 upon 3, so that under root 1 minus sin theta upon 1 plus sin theta equal to 1 by 3. Here theta A, B, C. Tan theta perpendicular upon base. Value of hypotenuse 5k. So value of sin theta perpendicular upon hypotenuse 4k upon 5k. This gives sin theta equal to 4 upon 5. Take left hand side, under root 1 minus sin theta upon 1 plus sin theta. So 1 plus sin 4 upon 5, 1 minus 4 upon 5. Simplify, 5 take LCM, so 5 plus 4 upon 5 minus 4. So 1, 4, 2, 3, this cancel. Here 9 upon 1 square root. Here sin minus, here plus, here minus, here plus. So this gives 1, this gives 9. So root 1 upon root 9. This is 1 upon 3 right hand side.
13 सिंपल है।
If 3 tan A equal to 4, find value sec square A minus tan square A. In this question given 3 tan A equal to 4, so tan A equal to 4 by 3. So A, B, C. Tan perpendicular upon base, so 4k upon 3k. Apply Pythagoras theorem, this gives hypotenuse 5k. So value of sec a hypotenuse upon base, तो 5k/3k, k कैंसिल, तो sec a 5/3. Value of tan a given 4/3. Sec square a minus tan square a, तो sec square a 5/3 whole square minus 4/3 whole square, तो 25/9 minus 16/9 gives 9/9. Here value 1. 1 is the answer of given question. चल ये एक्सरसाइज